Good morning, everyone. I am Chelma Reddy, Mathematics. Today I am going to discuss definite integration, level 2, ninth question onwards. In previous class, we have completed level 1, 50 problems, and level 2, 8 problems. Students see the question, what they are given. Integration 0 to 1, tan inverse x divided by x dx. That is equal to k into integration 0 to pi by 2 x sine x dx. That is the question. See the left hand side first. Tan inverse x is there. So do one thing. Take that tan inverse x is equal to t. Let tan inverse x, I am taking theta. Theta. Then what is x? X is equal to tan theta. Now do the differentiation. You will get dx is equal to derivative of tan theta secant squared theta into d theta. Now change the limits. If x is equal to 0, then what is theta value? Theta is equal to tan inverse of 0, 0. If x is equal to 1, then what is theta value? Theta is equal to tan inverse of 1, that is pi by 4. These values substitute in the question, that too substitute in left hand side only. So integration 0 to pi by 4, tan inverse x means theta divided by x means tan theta, then dx means what? Secant square theta d theta. This is simplify that. Integration 0 to pi by 4 theta divided by tan theta means sin theta by cos theta. Secant square theta means 1 by cos square theta. Then cos theta cancel. In denominator, we get sin theta into cos theta d theta. Next, see the denominator. Sin theta cos theta is there. If we have 2 sin theta cos theta, then formula is there not? Now multiply with 2, 0 to pi by 4. Divide with 2. Divide with 2 means 2 sin theta cos theta, that is sin 2 theta d theta. Now here, these two I am writing here. This is 2 theta. Integration 0 to pi by 4 2 theta by sin 2 theta d theta. So we want to convert in the form of like this. But numerator and denominator, x by sin x is there. But here 2 theta by sin 2 theta is there. So do one thing. Take that 2 theta is equal to t. Then what is d theta? D theta is equal to dt divided by 2. Now we want to change the limits also now. If theta is equal to 0, then what is t? T also 0. If theta is equal to pi by 4, then what is t? T is equal to 2 into pi by 4, that is pi by 2. So those values substitute here. Integration 0 to pi by 2. 2 theta means t divided by sin t dt by 2. So here 1 by 2 take outside. Remaining observe that 0 to pi by 2. The variable is t. In place of t, I am writing x because in the question right hand side, x is there or not? That's why. So x divided by sine x dx. So finally we got answer like this. See the question. Question what is there? That is equal to k integration 0 to pi by 2 x by sine x dx. They are asking only k value. Compare both. Compare both. The k value is 1 by 2. This is answer. So students, which option is correct? Fourth option is correct. How to do this problem? The value of 1 to 5 under root x plus 2 root x minus 1 plus under root x minus 2 root x minus 1. Inserts one formula is there, shortcut formula. So this is the formula. Remember it. Under root x plus y plus 2 root xy, that is equal to root x plus root y. This is actually in front of these two, I think plus or minus is there. Plus or minus root x plus root y. If it is there minus here, here also minus will come. And remember it here, x is greater than y. X is greater than y. So I will give one problem example. How to do this? Tell me. 5 plus 2 root 6. Students, tell me what is the answer. 5 we can write sum of two terms. 6 we can write product of two terms. So that means 5 means I am writing 3 plus 2 plus in front of root is 2 is compulsory, only 2. So this is 3 into 2. So what is the answer? So I will write that is root 3 plus root 2. This is the answer. Okay, students, are you understood? Same like that now, we need to identify under root x plus 2 root x minus 1, 2 root x minus 1. This is I am writing x minus 1 plus 1 plus 2 root x minus 1 into 1 whole root. So this is root x minus 1 plus 1. This is the answer. Similarly, under root x minus 2 root x minus 1 means what we have to write? Students, tell me. Under root x minus 1 minus 1. Here we want to put the modulus. Y modulus means in front of root x plus root y, what is there? Plus or minus? No. Whenever is there minus, there only problem. Whenever is there plus, there is no issue. Now, mod root x minus 1 minus 1. By observing the limits 1 to 5, when it is positive, if you are taken 1 less than x less than 2 means it is going to I think negative. So we have to write minus of root x minus 1 minus 1. If you are taken 2 less than x less than 5, so you will get positive only under root x minus 1 minus 1. Only 1 less than x less than 2. If you are substituted in place of x 1.5 under root 1.5 minus 1, what happened? Tell me. That is less than 1. Less than 1. Less than 1 minus 1. Here we get negative. Negative into negative positive means the root value should be exist. Students, are you understood now? Whenever is there minus, there only problem. If it is there plus, there is no issue. Okay. Now we have to split this. Integration. First I am writing 1 to 5 modulus under root x minus 1 plus 1. This is first term plus second term under root x minus 1 minus 1 dx. This is I am written directly because already I split here. This is 1, this is 2. Now change the limits. If you are taken 1 to 2, first one is positive only. First one is positive only. But second one we get negative. Under root x minus 1 minus 1 dx plus if 2 to 5 under root first one is same positive plus second one also positive under root x minus 1 minus 1 dx. Students, observe this. Now how to do the calculation? How to do the calculation? So here root x minus 1 is going to cancel. Minus into minus plus. So here we get 2 into integration 1 dx, that is x limit 1 to 2 plus second function minus 1 plus 1 cancel. Root x minus 1, 2 root x minus 1. Root x minus 1 means x minus 1 whole power 1 by 2 or not? What is the integration? X minus 1 whole power 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2. Then what is the limit? 2 to 5. Substitute here. First upper limit. You will get 2 minus 1 plus 3 by 2. Sent to numerator, it is going to 4 by 3. Now substitute the limits. Upper limit 5 minus 1 4. 4 means 2 square. 2 to cancel. 2 cube 8 minus substitute 2. 2 minus 1 1. 1 power 3 by 2 1. Now this is 2 plus 28 by 3. Now total 34 divided by 3. This is the answer. Students, observe that. Which option is correct? Fourth option. Here, this is, observe that, this part. 3 we can write 1 plus 2. Then x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. That is one formula. Minus 2 to 0. That formula is what? X plus 1 whole cube plus remaining 2 is there plus the remaining part x plus 1 into cos of x plus 1 dx. Students, are you understood now? Next, after this, let x plus 1 is equal to t. Then dx is equal to dt. Change the limits. If x is equal to 0, then what is t value? T value is 1. If x is equal to minus 2, then what is t value? Minus 1. Now here, integration minus 1 to 1 t cube plus 2 plus t cos t dt. Here observe that which functions are odd. This is odd function. This is also odd function. If it is odd function, what we get answer? That value should be 0 now. Remaining is minus 1 to 1 2 dt. So 2 into x, the limit minus 1 to 1. Substitute the limits 2 into 1 minus of minus 1. So answer is 4. Third option is correct. If these three, if you are splitting in the form of 1 plus 2, then only you can identify that x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 is x plus 1 whole cube. 2 keep same like that, then x plus 1 cos x plus 1 is same. Substitute in place of x plus 1 t, then observe the limit integration minus to a form like that is there now. In that case, whenever is there odd function, that value should be 0. So remaining integration minus 1 to 1 2 dt, that value should be 4. Integration 0 to 1 by 2 x sine inverse root 1 minus x square dx. So I am expecting that let sine inverse x, that is equal to, take theta. Derivative of sine inverse x, 1 by under root 1 minus x square dx, that is equal to d theta. So here, change the limits. If x is equal to 0, then what is theta? Theta is equal to sine inverse of 0, that is 0. If x is equal to 1 by 2, then what is theta? Theta is equal to sine inverse of 1 by 2. How much? Pi by 6. So these values substitute in the question, and in the question x is there. What is x? Sine theta is equal to x. Yes or no? Now these values substitute in the question. Integration. What are the limits? 0 to pi by 6. Sine inverse x means theta. X means sine theta into d theta. Then how to do here? So we can apply integration by parts. So apply integration by parts. So which is first function? Theta is first function. Integration sine theta minus cos theta. Limit 0 to pi by 6 minus integration 0 to pi by 6 derivative of theta 1 integration of sine theta minus cos theta d theta. So substitute the upper limit minus pi by 6 cos pi by 6 what? Root 3 by 2 minus lower limit you will get 0 minus into minus plus integration cos theta, that is sine theta, limits 0 to pi by 6. Here observe that minus pi root 3 by 12 plus upper limit 1 by 2, lower limit 0. So answer is 1 by 2 minus pi root 3 by 12. Students, which option is correct? Second option is correct. f of x is equal to sin x function given, that is 0 to pi by 2 range, 1 given, pi by 2 to 3, e power x minus 3 given, 3 to 9. But see the question, integration 0 to 9 f of x given. So by observing the f of x function, we have to take the limits. Now the first function, see that 0 to 2 pi by 2. What is the function? Sin x. Sin x. Now go to the second function. Integration pi by 2 to, what is there? 3, 1 dx plus integration 3 to, this is up to 9 e power x minus 3 dx. This is a question. Now what is integration sin x dx? Minus cos x 0 to pi by 2 plus integration 1 dx x limit pi by 2 to 3 plus integration e power x minus 3. What is that? E power x minus 3 only. Now the limits 3 to 9. Now substitute the limits. First upper limit cos 90 0 minus cos 0 1, that means here plus 1 plus 3 minus pi by 2 plus e power 9 minus 3 6 minus e power 3 minus 3 0, e power 0, that is 1. So here see the calculation, plus 1 minus 1 cancel. So remaining answer is 3 minus pi by 2 plus e power 6. Students, observe that which option is correct? Second option.